Hello my dear children, today we are going to start lesson number 18 adverbs, which is there in the textbook on page number 69. So let's begin with it. See children, here the lesson name is adverbs. Yes, you know what are verbs. We have already studied about verbs. Yes, so action words are known as verb. Any action performed by the noun are known as verb. Yes or no? So action words are known as verb. And what do you mean by adverb? Then add plus verb. So whatever action is performed by a noun, it is known as verb. Yes, and a word added to a verb which tells you more about the action is known as adverb. Okay, so in simple language, a word which is added to a adverb to tell how the action is performed, it is known as adverb. Let us read the examples to understand it more clearly. See children over here, first sentence, Radha sings. Now in this sentence, sings is a verb. Yes, action performed by Radha is sings. So sing is verb. Okay. Now see. Now here you can see Radha sings sweetly. Now here verb is sings. Yes. Now how does Radha sings? So Radha sings sweetly. So now here you can say verb. A word is added to show. Word is added to a verb to show how the action is performed. Yes. So the sweet sings. How does Radha sings? So sweetly. So sweetly is adverb. Okay. Now see the second sentence. Mr. Lal paints. Now here verb is paints. Yes. Action verb is paint. Action word is paint. Now see the sentence over here. Mr. Lal paints beautifully. Now how does Mr. Lal paints? So beautifully. Now you can see verb is paints. Yes, and more you can come to know more about the verb that Mr. Lal paints beautifully. So painting is done beautifully. So beautifully is an adverb. See the next sentence. Hari writes. Now here write is a verb. Okay. Now Hari writes neatly. So how does Hari writes? Hari writes neatly. So neatly is again adverb. Next sentence, the elephant sat. So here verb is sat, but here if I say the elephant sat comfortably. So now how does elephant sat? Comfortably. So comfortable is had adverb. Okay. See the last example, time flies. Now flies is verb. Now if I say how does a time flies? So you can come to know that fast is time flies fast. So now here we can come to know more about the verb. Yes, with that is fast, flies fast. So verb is fly, and we can come to know more about verb. How does the action is performed? Fast. So fast is adverb. Okay children, so I hope so adverb is clear to you. Same explanation is given over here children. Now so we will see the definition of it. A word added to a verb to tell how the action is done is called an adverb. Okay. So whenever a word is added to a verb to tell how the action is performed, so that is known as adverb. The above adverbs tells us how something is done or happens. So here above adverbs, whatever you have seen, that tells us how something is done or how something is happened. Okay, so that is known as adverb. Most of these adverbs ends in ly. Now you can see over here, sweetly, beautifully, neatly, comfortably. This almost of it is ending with ly. Okay. So most of the adverb always ends with ly. So let us move further children. Here exercise 1 is given. So we will do exercise 1 first of all. In the following sentences, underline the adverb. So children, simply we have to here underline the adverb. So let us begin with it. First one is eat slowly. Eat is verb. Yes, how should we eat? We should eat slowly. Slowly is adverb. Simply we have to underline it. Next sentence you see, Govind runs swiftly. Now how does Govind runs? Swiftly. So swiftly is adverb. Okay. The child cries loudly. How does a child cries? So loudly is an adverb. Next sentence children, the team plays well. Now play is verb. How does the team plays? So well is adverb. Okay. The sun shines brightly. Now how does the sun shine? So brightly. Brightly is adverb. Next sentence children, the soldiers fight bravely. How does a soldier fights? So bravely. Bravely is adverb. And last sentence of this exercise is, the child sleeps soundly. How does a child sleeps? So soundly is an adverb. Okay. I hope so the definition and this exercise of adverb is clear to you. Okay. Now let us move further with it. Children, adverb is now clear to you. Let us move further. Children, there are many kinds of adverbs, but in this chapter we are going to study where adverb and when adverb. Only two kinds are given over here in this chapter. So let us begin with where adverb. Okay, so an adverb also tells where an action is done. Okay, so adverb always also tells us where the action is performed. So that is also known as adverb. So words that tells us where. So let us see the conversation which is done over here to understand it, to understand the where adverb. Okay. First you see, where is the table? The table is there. So here there. Next question you see, where are the children playing? They are playing outside. Where is Ankita watching TV? She is watching TV inside. Where is the aeroplane fly? It is flying above the clouds. So above over here. Where can you see a monkey? I can see a monkey there. Now children, as you can see over here, when we asked a question where the action is performed, so at that time when we get the answer of it, that is known as adverb. Okay, that is known as where adverb. Now here verb is, yes, the table is there. So adverb is there. We come to know more about the verb, more about the action. So where it is, so that is adverb. They are playing outside. So where are they playing? Playing is verb. Okay, they are playing. Playing is verb. But where are they playing? Outside. So outside is adverb. Now here you can see she is watching TV. Watching is verb. Yes. But where she is watching the TV? So inside. So inside is adverb. It is flying above the cloud. Now here flying is verb. Yes. But where is the aeroplane flying? Flying above the clouds. So above is again adverb. I can see a monkey there. Where I can see a monkey? See is a verb. Yes. But I can see a monkey there. So there is again an adverb. Okay. So in these sentences, the word here, outside, inside, above, there shows where the action is done. Okay. So that's why an adverb also tells where an action is done. So this all are also known as adverb. Okay, which shows you where the action is performed. So let us see the exercise of it. Filling the blanks with the correct adverbs from the bracket. First one, my bag is dash. So now we are in the bracket full and there is given. So adverb will be there. We have to write where adverb over here. Okay, so when we asked a question, where is my bag? So we can get the answer, my bag is there. So there is a adverb. Okay, next sentence you see, Anisha is writing dash. Now here when we asked a question, where is Anisha? Sorry, it is waiting. So when we asked a question, where is Anita waiting? So we can write outside. We can get the answer outside. Anita is waiting outside. So here outside is an adverb. Okay. Now see the next question. The dog is dash. Where is the dog? So what answer you'll get, children? Yes, the dog is again outside, you'll get the answer. So the outside is the correct answer. Okay. Next sentence you see, children. Look dash. Where should you look? Look down. Yes. So we can write down over here. Yes, so down is an adverb. The bird is flying dash the tree. Where is the bird flying? Yes, above the tree. So above is again an adverb. Last sentence of this exercise. She fell dash accidentally. So where does she fell accidentally? You'll get the answer down. So down is an adverb. So here you can write she fell down accidentally. Okay. I hope so. Where adverb is also clear to you now. With when action. When adverbs. Okay. Where a word that tells us when. Adverbs also tells when an action is done. So children, always remember, adverb also tells us when the action is done. Okay. So now let us see the conversation and the answers of it to understand it. When should I eat food? Now. When did you see a football match? Yesterday. When did you reach the bus stand? Late. When will you go to your uncle's house? Tomorrow. When will you come back? Soon. Now children, here as you can see, when we are asking question with when, word that tells us when the action is performed. When the action is performed and when we get the answer of it, it is known as adverb. It is known as when adverb. Okay. So when should I eat food? Now eat is a verb. Yes. When should I eat food? Now. We should eat food now. So now is a adverb. Okay. When did you see a football match? See is a verb. When did you see a football match? Yesterday. So yesterday is adverb. Okay. When did you reach the bus stand? Reach is a verb. When did you reach? So late. So late is again a adverb. It is showing you more about the verb. Yes. When the action is performed. It is showing you when the action is performed. So that is also an adverb. When will you go to your uncle's house? Tomorrow. Okay, go. When will you go? So go ka it will be tomorrow. It is showing more about the action verb, that is go. So tomorrow. So that is an adverb. When will you come back? So come is a verb. Yes. So soon. So again it is showing more about the verb. Okay, when the verb is going to happen, when the action is going to perform. So that is soon. So soon is again an adverb. Now late, yesterday, tomorrow and soon show when the action is done. An adverb also tells when an action is done. Yes children, so do remember this. An adverb tells us where the action is done. It also tells us when the action is performed. Okay, so such kind of words are also known as adverb. Okay, now we will do the exercise of it, of when adverb, to understand it more clearly. Filling the blanks, choosing words from the box below. You can use a word twice. Okay, so first one you see, I get up dash in the morning. So I get up early in the morning. When do you get up? We can ask the question. Now, when do you get up in the morning? So I get up early in the morning. Okay. Next sentence. We play dash the house. We play outside the house. Where do you play? We play outside the house. So here you will get the answer of where, even you can get the answer of when. So like this you have to do. Riya watches TV dash the room. So here answer will be inside the room. Okay, let us move further. Dash is a holiday. So answer will be tomorrow is a holiday. Next sentence, children. My father works dash at night. My father works late at night. Okay, next sentence. Dash is Amina. Here is Amina. We can say here is Amina. The sun shines brightly. So children, with this we have completed our exercise number 3 also. I hope so adverbs are clear to you. You must have understood what is adverb and where adverb also and when adverbs also. Okay, so you have to complete these exercises in the notebook. Thank you.